Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to be unboxing a mystery box that I got from Hank and Henry. This is the first time I try out this brand, but I've heard that it's got really good reviews, and I've heard a lot of good things about them. So I figured I'd go on camera and open this with you guys and see what we find. I love mystery boxes. I know that some people say that it's only because they don't like them because it's just stuff that never sells that they end up putting in these. But hey, like they say, one person's trash. So it's cute. It's got a cute little box. It's saying, "Be yourself, create magic, pay it forward. We are the Night Owls, Hank and Henry." So I have here looks like a palette. And this is a makeup in the MI Makeup Institute. So I don't know if that's a brand of theirs, but oh, nice. It's a cheek palette. Look at that. That is pretty. I'm gonna have fun. So it's like 3 cheek colors, and then the bottom ones are highlighters. I don't always like to put them on my fingers because they tend to look a little chalky, but then they look better on your face. So these will be nice. I'll be excited to play with these. All right. And then we've got a little bracelet, and it says, "The world is better with you." Oh, the world is better with you in it. Aw, that's so cute. It's got a little owl. I love owls. All right, and then we have looks like a lipstick. Let's see what color it is. Ooh, that looks cute. I've never seen any pack. This is new packaging. Oh, but it's wow, that's very cool packaging. It's like a coral color. Looks like it's a shimmer. So very, very pretty coral color for the summer. Very summery. Then I have Luster Dew Highlighter. So this is another highlighter, but this one looks like it's in loose form. Like a loose powder highlighter. All right. This one's Supernova. Okay, so it comes like this. It's this is the packaging. It's like a really pink highlighter. It'll be exciting to try that. And you can also probably use that for eyeshadow. All right, let's see what more goodies we got here. I love goodies. This one says Poison, Hank and Henry. So this is the actual, and it says it's a Poison eyeshadow palette. Ooh. All right, so this one's got these colors in them. Those are really pretty, especially for the fall. That'll be really pretty with the greens and the burgundies. So we'll have to check that out in another tutorial. And then I've got a brush. Oh, I love brushes. This one looks like, oh, it's nice and soft. Nice and soft. Looks like maybe a highlighter brush or a blush brush. Oh, this is a blush brush for sure. Isn't that cute? It's got the angled blush brush. Very cute. I like that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, ooh, this is an eye shimmer, like an eye glitter. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That'll be pretty to try out on my eyes. What color is this? Charmed. That's pretty. So far I'm liking everything. So this is the last one. And, oh, that's dark. This one is the Teddy 9 eyeshadow palette. Their packaging is very, what's it called? What's that? The Nightmare Before Christmas themed. Ooh. Okay, I think I like this one better than the other one. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It's got some gold and this red right here. Ooh, I like this. I like this very much. Oh, look at that, you guys. Let me see if I can swatch this on my hand. Look at that. Whoa. Very cool. And then there's another one that's kind of like, it's called Fuzzies. Ooh, that one's very soft. And put it there. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. That's gonna go pretty on top of the burgundy colors. Yeah, like I said, I think I like this one better than the other one. I have a bad addiction for eyeshadow palettes. But, so, that is all I got. And I think, what was the cost of this box? I forget. I think it was $65. Yeah, this is the June mystery box number 2. So hopefully they'll come out with a July one. So I've got 2 eyeshadow palettes, the highlighter, 2 brushes, 1 lipstick, and the face palette. I think that's a pretty good deal for 65 bucks. Look at all this. Pretty much is all I got. I think it's a really good deal for all these, especially since they say their brushes are really nice. So I'm excited. Ah! So that's all for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to hop out and quick and show you guys my mystery box from Hank and Henry. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. And also don't forget to take good care of yourself. Be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.